everyone, welcome back to Key to Happiness. I am Gurleen Kaur and today we are going to clear some common myths about manifestation. If you've been curious about the power of manifestation or have tried it for yourself, you might have come across some of these misconceptions. Well, today I am here to set the record straight and burst some common misconceptions around manifestation. एक story बताती हूँ. Let me tell you about a guy called Raj who really believed in manifestation. One day he heard that you can manifest anything. आप कुछ भी जो आप चाहो आप मांग सकते हो. So he visualized winning a lottery and he waited. He repeated his affirmations every morning, imagined himself getting a huge check. But बहुत time हो गया. Weeks passed by and he started to getting frustrated. Why hasn't anything happened? क्यों अभी तक मैं नहीं जीता हूँ? And why are things not working for me? He thought. Here is the first myth. Manifestation does not give you instant results. Many people think that if they just visualize their desires, they'll magically appear overnight. But in reality, manifestation is about alignment with your goals and a mindset shift. It's not about winning, it's about creating opportunities. Manifestation just ओवरनाइट नहीं हो जाती है. आपको अपने आप को अपने गोल्स के साथ अलाइन करना होता है. योर एक्शंस, योर बिलीव्स हैव टू बी इन अलाइनमेंट विद योर गोल्स एंड विद द पावर ऑफ कंसिस्टेंसी you can manifest. Next, manifestation is equals to no effort. राज को ऐसा भी लगा that manifest करने के लिए उसको सिर्फ affirmations पढ़नी है. He's manifested his dream job. It would just fall in his lap. He was not updating his resume. He was not networking. He was not waiting for he was just waiting कि call आएगा. He was just waiting for someone to call him and tell him, hey, you've got the job. Again, manifestation is not about sitting back and doing nothing. Manifestation works hand in hand with efforts and actions. Yes, you believe in your goals, you also need to take practical steps towards them. Manifestation hard work का solution नहीं है. It enhances, वो आपको help करता है कि आपके hard work और जो आप efforts डाल रहे हो वो right direction में हो and the opportunities will come to you. But you have to work towards them. Manifestation is about only having positive thoughts. राज को ऐसा लगता था कि just by thinking कि मेरे को लॉटरी मिल जाएगी, everything would work out. But when negative situations arise, he would feel he had failed at manifesting. For example, one negative belief would just put him on the track that nothing is going to work for me. Again, manifestation is not about positive thoughts. While focusing on positivity helps you, but manifestation involves acknowledging and working through challenges. It's about understanding that setbacks are a part of journey, not seeing them as signs of failure. If you want something और अगर पहला दिन वो नहीं मिला, दूसरा दिन नहीं मिला, does not mean it is never going to happen. True manifestation is about finding the strength in both positive and difficult moments. So whatever life throws at you, you still have to find the way to reach your goals. Manifestation works for some and it doesn't work for some. Raj started feeling discouraged. उसको दिख रहा था कई लोग बहुत ज़्यादा अपनी successful manifestations के बारे में बता रहे हैं, on all the social media platforms, but it's not working for him. This just doesn't work for me. It works for everyone else, but not for me. This is how he felt like. So again, he felt like he didn't have the right vibe or energy to make it happen. Here's the myth. Manifestation works for everyone, not just a selected few. The truth is, manifestation is not about having special powers. It's about consistency, clarity, and being open to opportunities. Anyone can manifest, but it's about aligning your energies, your thoughts, and actions towards your goals and desires. If it feels like it's not working, it's because you're missing one of the key elements. What works for manifestation? So now we've busted the myths around manifestation. We know what are the pillars we need to keep working on. Let's talk about what works for manifestation. Here's the key. Clarity. Be specific about what you want. The clearer your goal, the easier it is for your mind to align with it. Belief. Trust what your desire is. It is possible for you. The universe responds to confidence and belief. The universe is sitting there and saying, your wish, my command. आप में हिम्मत होनी चाहिए मांगने की और clearly मांगने की. Action. Take steps towards your goals. The universe doesn't just deliver. It creates opportunities for you to seize and grab on them and achieve everything. Patience. Trust the process. Give it time. Manifestation doesn't happen overnight, but consistency. I keep repeating this. Consistency. Rose. Every day, rose wahi habits karna towards your goals is the key. Positive mindset. Of course, staying positive and working through all the challenges with resilience is important. A balanced mindset is what a true manifestation needs. Manifestation is not about instant results, passive waiting, or only thinking through thoughts. It's about aligning your energies, working hard, and believing in your potential. So if you've been doubting your ability to manifest, remember this. It's not magic, it's mindset, action, and patience. Keep believing in yourself and your dreams. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped clear up some common misconceptions. Let me know in the comments if you have had any experiences with manifestations, or if you want my help to help you manifest. If you have any questions, please drop in, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such tips for a fulfilled life. Take care and keep manifesting your dreams.